If you've been around for a minute in PDR, you've probably had a Johnson put in your hand. Hey guys, this is Matt with Dent Slayer Tools. I want to take a second and talk to you about a new set we've come out with, which is the T-handle Johnson set. So if you've been around for a minute in PDR, you've probably had a Johnson put in your hand. And it is a tool that you just can't get away from. Everyone's used one. And so the problem with the Johnson though, is the way that handle's shaped. As soon as you have any kind of torque on that tool, it can slip if there's any kind of bend in it, and it can really wreck a panel. And so we've tried to update the Johnson by just adding a T-handle to it. So now you have lots of power, lots of control, the same Johnson that you're familiar with, but a lot more power. We've also created this nylon tip. So if you guys are not using these nylon tips, you are missing out. These are amazing. Trust me, just get one and try it out and you will understand what these things can do. But we have three different diameters here. We have a 3/8, which comes in a 24-inch. We have a 7/16, which comes in a 30-inch. And we have this bad boy, which is a 1/2 inch, which comes in a 36. Each one of them comes with a nylon tip that is specific to the diameter. So what we wanted to do was have the different diameters, because you have different size holes that you're trying to get into, but it doesn't do you any good if you have a small diameter tool, but you have to resort to a large tip. That is counterproductive to what you're trying to do. So we've created these diameter specific nylon interchangeable tips. All of these tools, the thread is 5/16 18, so they'll take any tip, but they come with the diameter specific to them nylon tip. These are essential to your toolkit. They are slightly bendable. Again, you're not going to want to get in there and turn this thing into a horseshoe, but you can get in there and you can tweak it and bend it how you need to get that right position. They are lots of power, and coupled with the T-handle, they are a step in the right direction to an improvement on the traditional Johnson. So they are stainless steel, so they're not going to rust on you. I designed these specifically for a car that I was working on here in my shop. I needed to get into a 3/8 hole, and I needed a straight, no toe kick on it, and I needed a nylon tip, and I didn't have it. And I hunted all over my shop, and I tried to rig up different things, and so we came up with this. This is the solution for the problem that I was having. I think it'll be a good solution in a lot of your guys' case. Really good addition to your set. Get it today, pdrtool.com. Go to the Dent Slayer Tools tab, click it, and you'll see it populate down there. It is the T-handle Johnson interchangeable tip set, exclusively on pdrtool.com. A1 Tools. Please check them out.